I got first walk with Katniss, Pickles, Phoebe, and then we got Lani and Pod. So just doing the tips for this lot, and then I'm going to do the forestry with the next group. But I've been having like troubles with my teeth on one side, so I've been chewing with the other side. I got the dentist tomorrow, and then this morning a tooth on the side I have been chewing with cracked, so I got like bad teeth both sides now. So if I sound a little bit odd, it's probably why, because I'm trying to not let my jaw close, because that makes it hurt. But Phoebe's definitely acting differently. She has been sticking a lot closer on walks. She's hungry. So I'm hoping these are all positive signs that she is indeed pregnant. Yeah, she's definitely acting just not normal for her. If it's a Dalmatian sticking close, it's more normal. But for her, she just wanders straight. Not wanders, that's a bad word. She just goes a lot further than us and goes a lot more in the bushes and brambles and all that sort of cover. Good catch. You see, like even this, just checking in like that. It's not like her. The swelling from her season hasn't gone. I know she's only like a week past her season, or past being covered. It's still quite puffy, and I think her rib cage has come out a bit. See, just think. You run hard already, bud. Oh, on Raven has. Oh, jeez. You're off your head, you lot. Even your winky's dripping of mud. So that's okay. Says I was having fun. Aria's here somewhere as well. See, I got 6 on this walk, and I wanted to murder the boys, especially on the walk up here. That extra wound upness from girls in season. They were just pains and pulling a lot. So Aria and Radar, oh there they are. I was going to say run on ahead. Having fun, Rave? The boys have gone up ahead a bit. It's a much clearer day than we've had in a good few days. For like ages we haven't been able to see that side of the valley over there. But we can now. We're away out from the tree stumps which are over there. And I want to show you Raven. I know, because I swear people wouldn't necessarily believe me that she really does follow or offer the behaviour of going on the tree stumps. She did do it on the group walk. She's going up there, yeah. I'm going to try up there first. And that's not what I want. It's not what gets you your treats. Even though you look very beautiful up there, Ravenclaw. Sorry, I had a phone call. So we're not there yet, but there are the tree stumps up ahead. She's actually checking in on me a lot more. There she goes. Which one is she going to get on today? There we go. So people wonder like how I get these pictures. Like this. Just walk. Pretty girl, Rave. Good boy, Winnie. A bit of first aid. On slow. Just want to see where you've cut it, babe. Where you've cut it? Yeah, I think it's the middle. Come here. Ah, stop barging into me. Cynic! You've been a put. Oh, Jazz! I'm just looking. Radar! Good girl, Aria. I know. I know. I don't know if it's so much first aid as just checking how bad it is. Good girl, Aria. Yeah, I'm running low on phone battery. But Radar's now cut his foot as well. Right, shift your bum, Banana. Different part of his foot. So yeah, it's wonderful. You're a pest, Banana. So yeah, I gotta clean them and put some spray on them when I get home. Trouble is, up the mountain, there's not much you can do. And I remember back last year after one of the dogs disturbed a ground nest of wasps, and we all got stung, dogs and humans, that we should carry antihistamines with us on dog walks. But like, should we carry a bit of a bandage with us on dog walks? Now, they're not bad wounds, but being on their legs and that the dogs are warm, they are bleeding a little bit. Right, pest. You're a puff, Jazzy. Go and have fun. Go. Well, the motorbikes have had fun over here. I'll have to remember to walk further across before dropping into this part next time. But yeah, I think for longer walks, even though this is quite a regular walk, I think it's still a longer walk than most people do. Right, Nala! So maybe I should think about carrying a mini first aid kit of some sort. Yeah, Raven likes to roll down hills. She loves rolling on this type of terrain. And yeah, especially when you're warm. That one a very good place, because that's the stone under all that moss. She's looking better. She went just a bit too lean for what I like her as. So I'm gonna stop filming because I'm running out of battery. So yeah, anyway, hope you've enjoyed seeing a bit of two walks. Seeing Pod and Lani on walks. I just don't end up filming a lot of walks the Pod's on, and I don't really know why. It's just not how it works, I guess. Hey, Jazzy. No, don't jump up, that's naughty. So anyway, I shall see you all soon. Bye.